Hello friends, me Amit Kumar Sinha before you with a video, and the main purpose of this video is to extend needful help to all those students who are preparing for competitive examination like railway, banking, CDS and other. At the request of my students and pressing need of time, I have dared to do this, and the first topic I have selected for this is article. Article is a part of grammar which we find that from this one or two questions are generally asked in every examination. So my purpose behind this is to clear your doubt. I am here not to pressurize you to memorize fact. I am here to develop your concept. Development of concept is a way to success. And so far as article is concerned, you have to just understand how this is used and in what way it can be mastered, in what way you can get complete control over it. We generally happen to make mistake, but here I am there and I feel that this video will be suitable to your purpose. Article, first you must know that article is a word or a letter. I have used a word or a letter which is used before a noun and determine its certainty or uncertainty. If I say he is a boy, the identity of the boy is not clear. The identity of the boy is not clear. But if I say he is the boy, identity of the boy is clear. Dear children, an article is of two parts, definite and undefinite. Definite and undefinite. Definite article and undefinite article. We have to understand what is undefinite article, what is indefinite article. As I have written, an article is a word or a letter. The is word, an is word, a is letter. There should not be any doubt. Used before a noun and determine its certainty and uncertainty. किसी भी नाउन की निश्चितता और अनिश्चितता को तय करता है आर्टिकल. In another word, dear friend, we can say an article is an adjective also. How is it an adjective? An adjective is a qualifying word. We have been reading right from childhood. कहा जाता है, हम लोग शुरू से पढ़ते हैं, an adjective is a qualifying word. In the same way, article is used what? As an adjective. जैसे कहते हैं he is, मैंने लिखा है he is a boy. He is a boy. एक लड़का है वह एक लड़का है. If I say he is a good boy, he is a good boy. What does it mean? Good is working as adjective, and if I remove good, a can be used as adjective also. Further point we use, how we can say one thing where a is a and where a is a, where the is the and where the is the. It is a concept of lower classes, but I think while speaking we generally make mistake, but we are required to understand this. See friends, the is the before consonant and the is the before vowel. जहां पे वोकल साउंड होगा, जहां पे वोकल साउंड होगा वहां पर हम द को दी पढ़ेंगे. जैसे आप कहते हैं दी एप्पल इज स्वीट, बट द मैंगो इज स्वीट. There should not be any confusion. The is the before the word starting with consonant. The word starting with the consonant later. But the is the with the word starting with vowel. Here we can see apple has started with A. A is a vowel. A has a vocal sound. So here the is the. But dear friend, here mango. Mango is M is consonant. So M the mango. I think there should not be any doubt. In the same way, what we find? In the same way, what we notice? A is a. A is a. A. Two sound. Sorry. A and A. Two sound. A and A. Two sound. When you emphasize A, it is used A. जैसे अगर हम कहें A pen. A pen. Here A. Here you will have to say a pen. But if I say I have a pen. A pen. I have a pen. A pen. So my purpose is quite clear. Dear students, dear friends, A when emphasized, when you put a stress on A, when you put a stress on A, then it is A. But when a stress is not put on A, it is A. This is quite clear. And I hope you all must have understood. In further part of my video, I am going to discuss to you the further use of A and an. A and an का संबंध sound से है. It is all related to sound. But before that, we are required to learn one more thing. See friends, here I have written verb and noun. Verb and noun. A verb is verb, a verb is noun. I can write I dream. I can write I dream. I dream. Here dream is verb. But if I say I have a dream, here dream is noun. When verb is used as a noun, indefinite article a or an is used before that noun as per the sound. जैसे यहाँ पे देखें I dream, मैं सपना देखता हूं. I have a dream, it is also right. मैं सपना देखता हूं. I walk, dear friend, लिखा मैंने I walk. Here walk is what? Walk is verb. If I say I have a walk, what is this? Here it is verb. Here it is noun. Hope you all must have understood. जैसे हम लोग लिखते हैं he he requests me. But if I say he makes a request, he makes a request to me. समझ लिए होंगे आप लोग बहुत अच्छी तरह से। जब हम किसी वर्ब को एज अ वर्ब यूज करेंगे तो वह वर्ब के पहले ए एन नहीं यूज होगा, लेकिन उसी वर्ब को अगर हम लोग एज अ नाउन यूज करेंगे तो उस वर्ब जो नाउन के यूज होगा उसके पहले हम लोग ए और एन यूज करेंगे एज पर साउंड। बहुत सो मेनी वर्ब। I run, I make a run. I go, I make a go. I try, I have a try. I cry, I have a cry. What is this? This is quite simple, friend. And mostly we find that as students have confusion. Now the time of confusion is over. I am before you and I will leave no stone unturned in clearing your doubt so far as article is concerned. Further step, one thing you must have understood. Further step, wherever you find singular countable noun, wherever you find a singular countable noun, wherever you find a singular countable noun, use a or an. I have written he is a leader. I have written he is a leader. Leader is a noun. I was discussing that when a singular countable noun is there, it takes a or an. As I have written here a sentence, he is a leader. Leader is a countable noun. So here the word a has been used. He is a leader. If you say they are leaders, it will be wrong. They are leaders. If you say they are a leaders, sentence is wrong, dear. Why? Reason is very simple, that undefinite article, here I mean to say that a or an used before singular countable. Let's see, leader is a singular noun. So here a has been used. In the same way, if you make it plural, a or an will not be used. Second one, when a singular countable noun comes after adjective, we use a or an before that adjective. I am writing the sentence for your understanding. See, whenever there is a singular countable noun used after an adjective, then we use a or an before that adjective. If I say he is good boy, if I say he is good boy, the sentence is wrong. What is the need? Here we will have to write he is a good boy. The reason is very simple. Why? Because here we find that there is noun, singular countable noun after adjective. So he is a good boy. So everything should be quite clear. I was talking about clearing your doubt or concept. Definite एंड इनडेफिनिट आर्टिकल की बात हो रही थी, डेफिनिट आर्टिकल और इनडेफिनिट आर्टिकल। तो हम कहते हैं ए और एन comes under indefinite article. So here we find, friend, that boy, when singular countable noun comes after adjective, we use it. Three things I have discussed to you till now. Just we have a revision. When a verb is used as a noun, we use a or an before that as per sound. When a singular countable noun is used in a sentence, we use a or an as per sound. And when a singular countable noun comes after adjective, we use a or an as per sound. If you write just he is good boy, the sentence is wrong. He is intelligent boy, sentence is wrong. She is bright girl, sentence is wrong. She is a bright girl. She is a brilliant girl. There is a smart boy, sentence is right. But if you say there is a smart boy, sentence is wrong. You might have understood what I mean. I mean to discuss to you all that how you should sort out the problem. Further, what we find? After this, we find that a or an is used before so and such. So and such. Let us understand this. A or an, a and so and such. So सच, थोड़ा ध्यान देना है भाई. सो और सच. सो इज यूज्ड बिफोर एडजेक्टिव, सच इज यूज्ड बिफोर नाउन. इफ आई राइट सच बॉय, he is that none likes him. None likes him. मैंने एक सेंटेंस लिखा है जी. Such boy he is that none likes him. I have written a sentence in order to make your doubt clear that so और such के बाद भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं a और an. तो यहां पर देखिए लिखा है मैंने such boy he is that none likes him. तो यहां पर आपको यूज करना पड़ेगा such a boy, such a boy, such a girl, such a pen I have that everybody wants, such a class I have that everybody wants to join, such a bright student I have that everybody appreciate. तो सच के बाद हम लोग यूज करते हैं नाउन, और अगर वह नाउन सिंगुलर है तो उसके पहले ए और एन आएगा, और इसी तरह सो के बाद हम एडजेक्टिव यूज करते हैं. लेकिन इसमें क्या है, थोड़ा सा हम लोग डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. सो और सच में लेट अस हैव मोर डिस्कशन अबाउट दिस. So good. So good a boy. So good a boy. He is that all praise him. I have written, children, so good a boy he is that all praise him. आपने देखा, मैंने बोला आपको कि so is used before adjective. So good, so nice, so bright, so intelligent, so brilliant. This is. लेकिन सच के बाद भी हम लाते हैं एडजेक्टिव, लेकिन उसका एक सिस्टम है जी. जस्ट आई एम डिस्कसिंग. द सिस्टम इज we need to write in this way that sentence. He is such a nice boy that all want to be friend him. उसको सब befriend करना चाहता है जी. befriend मतलब to make friend. befriend मतलब make friend. friend is noun, befriend is verb. तो मैंने आपसे बोला मित्रों, so and such के बाद भी a और an यूज होता है मित्रों, लेकिन थोड़ी सी हम लोग को अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप करनी होगी. क्या? हम लोग को समझना होगा. मैंने बोल दिया जी सच के बाद नाउन आता है. अगर नाउन सिंगुलर है तो ए और एन लाओ. सच पेन्स आई हैव, नो रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ ए और एन, बट सच अ पेन आई हैव. सच अ बॉय, सच अ गर्ल, बट सच गर्ल्स. She is such a girl. That is right. I have such a pen. Such a boy. You are so great. So great a person you are. Hope friends, you all must be highly benefited by this video. And with next video I am coming soon. I request you all like and subscribe. I hope you will make a change to your personality with me, and I have a magic to sell. That's all.